First select the ellipse tool, press and hold the Shift and Alt keys and draw the circle in this manner. Turn off the fill color, take the selection tool, hold the Alt key and click and drag the left mouse button to duplicate it. Now select the shape builder tool, hold the Alt key and click and drag the left mouse button to form the shape in this manner. Take the scissors tool, cut these two anchor points like this. Grab the selection tool, select these two paths, increase the stroke size to 3 points, select the width profile 1. Now go to the object, blend and choose make. Again go to the object, blend, this time choose blend options. Here open spacing options and enable specified steps. Increase the steps to 10 and press OK. Now hold the Alt button and duplicate this shape. Hold down the Shift key and rotate the shape in this manner. Repeat the same procedure. Let's see the final result.